Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Inside Windshield Cleaner is probably one of the most important car cleaning products you'll ever use, ensuring crystal clear visibility on those crucial drives. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes an Inside Windshield Cleaner truly effective, exploring various options and helping you choose the perfect one to banish smudges, fingerprints, and other grime from your windshield, dramatically improving your driving safety and experience. Number 5. XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool. Cleaning your car windows has never been easier. Its extendable handle and pivoting head reach every corner, ensuring a streak-free shine inside and out. With a 180-degree swivel head, it ensures complete glass contact. This makes cleaning both the interior and exterior of your windshield simple, even in hard-to-reach spots. It's not just for cars. It's perfect for removing fog and moisture from all types of glass surfaces, including trucks, RVs, and even home windows. It features a durable extendable handle and 3 reusable microfiber pads. The lightweight and comfortable design makes cleaning a breeze. For best results, use a dry or slightly damp pad for interior cleaning. For exterior cleaning, simply wipe away fog, and for tougher stains, use a small amount of glass cleaner. What we like. It boasts an extendable handle to reach every corner, and the microfiber pads ensure a streak-free shine. If you're looking for an effortless clean and superior reach, this is the perfect tool for you, making cleaning a breeze whether it's your car, truck, or home windows. What people say. I can clean my whole windshield from the driver's seat. Even if I forget to clean the glass before I start driving, I can, and do, clean it at stoplights. It's great. The best thing about using this set is that you can see the dirty areas on your glass while you clean. I used to have to keep jumping in and out of the car because I couldn't see the dirty spots from the position I could reach them in. It comes with a spray bottle. I had poured some water in it and sprayed the microfiber rag that was attached to the handle. I was able to get all of the corners and bottom edge of the windows, and that is the best the back window has ever looked. It was always very hard to clean it, but this made it very easy. Number 4. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. It's compact and easily fits in your car trunk, so you can take it anywhere. This tool includes an extendable handle, for microfiber towels, a spray bottle, and a storage bag, everything you need for a quick clean. With its 180-degree rotating head and extendable handle, it reaches even the hardest to clean spots. Say goodbye to backaches from cleaning your car windows. It's not just for cars. Use it to clean windows, mirrors, screens, and more around your home. It's perfect for all sizes of vehicles. The washable microfiber pads leave your windows streak-free and lint-free. Just remember not to use fabric softener or bleach when cleaning them. For stubborn stains, pre-spray with your favorite glass cleaner. For a streak-free finish, consider placing a paper towel between the microfiber cloth and the window before wiping. What we like. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go cleaning, and the included spray bottle and storage bag add extra convenience. If you need a versatile tool for both your car and home, and appreciate all-in-one convenience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It makes it much easier to get in all the corners and is very sturdy. The handle telescopes so it was easy to reach the entirety of my windshield with minimal reaching on my part. The pivoting action allowed me easy access to all areas of the windshield. The extension provided extra reach, enabling me to clean even the most difficult to reach spots. Additionally, the shape of the cleaning pad was ideal for getting into tight spaces and corners, ensuring that the entire windshield was spotless. Number 3. Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Kit. This innovative kit is designed for effortless cleaning of hard-to-reach glass surfaces, whether in your car or home. It's the perfect solution for sparkling clean windows every time. Its extendable handle makes cleaning high and hard-to-reach areas a breeze. You can easily attach a standard extension pole for even greater reach. Say goodbye to streaky paper towels. The reusable microfiber bonnets deliver a brilliant, streak-free shine, saving you time and money. Simply remove the microfiber bonnet and toss it in the washing machine for a reliable, streak-free clean every time. It's that easy. Trusted by millions, it's the leading auto glass cleaner on the market. Experience the shine that makes it number 1. What we like. It comes with a premium glass cleaner and reusable microfiber bonnets for a streak-free shine every time. If you value a high-quality clean and reusable components, and don't mind spending a bit more for superior results, this is a great option. Number 2. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. This innovative cleaner makes cleaning your car windows a breeze. Its telescopic handle and microfiber pads reach every corner, leaving your windows sparkling. Say goodbye to backaches. Its extendable handle and pivoting head let you clean high and low areas with ease. No more struggling to reach those hard-to-clean spots. It's not just for cars. Use it on your home windows, mirrors, and even your TV screen. The microfiber pads are washable and reusable for long-lasting use. The detachable handle allows for compact storage, and it comes with 4 microfiber cleaning pads and a spray bottle. Everything you need is included. It also features a built-in ice scraper to tackle frosty mornings and a safety hammer for emergencies. It's a multifunctional tool you can always rely on. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's the perfect solution for clean windows and added safety. What we like. This features an extendable handle for easy access to hard-to-reach areas, and the washable microfiber pads are super convenient. If you need a tool that can tackle tough cleaning jobs, including ice removal, and appreciate the convenience of washable pads, this is a great option for you. What people say. Using the AstroAI tool and a solution of bottled water with liquid hand soap at 1:20 ratio resulted in a perfectly clean, clear windshield on the first try. It doesn't extend super long, so you do need long arms. I'm 6 foot tall and was able to reach the front inside glass all the way to the end. A nasty film had built up on the inside glass, and when the sun hit it right, my visibility was terrible. I used a small amount of glass cleaner I purchased from Tesla and was able to clean the entire inside window perfectly with no streaking and only using 1 microfiber rag. Number 1. AstroAI Car Window Cleaner. This innovative cleaner makes cleaning your car windows a breeze. Its detachable handle and microfiber pads ensure a streak-free shine every time. Say goodbye to backaches. Its extendable handle and pivoting head reach even the trickiest spots, making cleaning quick and easy. It's not just for cars. Use it on your home windows, mirrors, and even electronics. It's perfect for various surfaces. The ergonomic handle extends to reach hard-to-reach areas, and the washable microfiber pads are highly absorbent. It's built to last. In case of emergency, it includes a safety hammer for added peace of mind. It's a thoughtful addition to your car's emergency kit. It comes with everything you need: a detachable handle, 8 microfiber pads, and 2 spray bottles. Everything is included for a complete cleaning experience. What we like. It comes with multiple microfiber pads and a detachable handle for easy storage. The added safety hammer is a unique feature. If you value convenience, multiple cleaning options, and appreciate the added safety feature, this is a great choice. What people say. The length of the tool is good. I can reach both sides of the windshield. Although the microfiber cloths provided are thin, the reach of the arm is great for cleaning windshields and low-profile rear windows. Product performed exactly as advertised. They left no residue on the windshield and they were easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.